Hello everyone, I'm Triveli Naidu, working as Assistant Professor at Department of Electrical Engineering at St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. So we have started lectures on AC and DC contactors and relays. We have already covered control circuits for DC motors. We have started with the control circuits of induction motor. So this is our third circuit of induction motor. So let's move forward with auto transformer starting of induction motor. This is a figure of auto transformer starting. The starting using 5-pole contactor is shown. The start contactor S have 5 poles. It connects the transformer to the line and closes its star point. The taps are normal for 50%, 60% and 70% of the line voltage. And the run contactors connects the motor stator winding to the full line voltage. Here you can find S is starting for the starting purpose when you are finding the auto transformer in the circuit. R is in the running position, the contactors that has been used in the running position, where you find the full line voltage appearing across the stator. Similarly, you find a timing relay coil over here which is getting energized initially. While starting, this S operating coil is energized, because of which all the contacts that is related to S will get closed, and after a certain interval of time or a span of time, the R coil will get energized, which will eventually make the contacts R close, thereby giving all the voltage to the stator, that is the full line voltage to the stator circuit. So let us see how it operates. Obviously, starting with the start push button, you need to press the start push button because it is normally open. Unless and until you press it, it won't get closed. So let us push the start button. Now we have pushed the start button, because of which the timing relay coil should get energized. Now this TR will get energized, because of which all the contacts related to TR will get closed. TR normally open gets closed. So TR1 will eventually close, because of which SOC, that is your operating coil for the starting contactor, will get energized, and because of which all the contacts associated to SOC will get closed. All these contacts will get closed. What will be the direction of current? This will be the direction of current. This tapped voltage will appear across your stator. So like this. This is going to appear across the stator, whatever tapping you have taken. So certain amount of voltage will appear. So after certain span of time, what will happen? So this is the direction for initially when the auto transformer was connected to have a reduced voltage across the circuit. Then the induction motor operates. Now the second phase, that is the running phase of this induction motor. Let us see what will happen, because of which this TR2 is going to get closed and ROC will get energized, because of which the contactors related to ROC is now getting closed, and this would be the direction of current. Now you find S is no more in picture. Instead you have R in picture. So RYB appear across the stator winding. So you have complete line voltage across the induction motor. So this is how an auto transformer starting is working.